Depo pancingan.
Terbuat dari apa?
Nibun.
Hah?
Nibun kursus.
Nibun?
Iya.
Nibun itu apa? Tidak.
Okay, so after 24 hours in Sorong, we handled some money exchange, which was kind of a pain in the butt. We also had to get some batteries and just some small stuff because we came pretty much prepared. But now we are getting on a plane and we are flying to Manokwari. And as soon as we land, we're going to be kind of shuffled off into the jungle for 2 nights. So this is going to get really interesting. We've never been to Manokwari. For those of you that are reptile hobbyists, I think you recognize that name. So hopefully we can find some locality animals and off we go to Manokwari.
I use the transportation that belongs to the village.
Okay.
It's not luxurious like a city car, but yeah, you can see the.
Yeah, no problem.
I will go into above.
Hello.
This looks like Japanese.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Are you our translator for the next 2 days? Okay, very important person. VIP.
Ya, please. Atur Bapak ya. Ya sampai ini apa?
Look, so we have some bang bang. This is like a chocolate bars cookies. They call it over here. They call me. It's like a noodle. Some bread and all kinds of vegetables. I see some lemongrass, lemons, lambs, tomatoes, some green water spinach maybe. And this is all fish, some chicken. Here, look at that. Stew. Like a frozen chicken. Some biscuits, potato chips, some milk, some orange juice, and that's like I believe this like bananas in here. Yes, this is lunch boxes for our lunch. This is awesome because we are hungry. Over here is more rice, eggs, all kinds of tea and coffees, all kinds of things for food.
I think you're going to be busy. Okay, so we just stopped real quick to have some lunch. We are still about 45 to 50 minutes away from where we're going to start hiking up this mountain. So we're headed outside of Manokwari, but this was a pretty nice view to have lunch there. This is brackish water behind me. The tide is going out, so the water is going out. And then right across on the other side over there is the ocean. So pretty nice looking, but we still have a little bit of driving, and then we have some hoofing it to do, get up to our base camp. So we will get on our way, clean up, and go do our thing. Okay, so this is the team. We have the porters. Lunas he owns this area. And then we have the porters, and we have Lily that's going to be our interpreter and also our cooker. And I don't know, we got a whole setup here, so we're going up the mountain and setting up our base camp. So we're excited to see what this has to offer. That's right. Just in time. Okay, so we made it to our base camp just in time. It's just now starting to rain. So in the US, I make a business about breeding snakes.
Jadi di Amerika mereka tuh bikin dia punya bisnis itu tentang ular.
So for this area, does he know this one that I'm showing him? Does he know what this
Bapak tahu
seen
itu?
before?
Ular apa itu?
Python?
Ada di sini Bapak? Ada. Oh,
Musim.
ah.
Oh,
But it
Yo,
has a time. Has a time.
And then
di bawah virus.
oh,
Ini
banyak
sekali. Ini juga ada.
Yeah,
musim.
there is a season for that.
yeah. And when is the season?
Kapan waktu? Bulan-bulan berapa?
Agustus.
August.
Oh, okay. So during the day, they go up very high in the tree, and at night they come down about here because they're looking for food.
Jadi kalau siang tuh mereka naik di atas pohon, kalau malam kan di bawah lihat cari makanan.
Ya, betul.
Betul.
Yes.
There's
So-
a lot of
So that's what I'm looking for.
Oh, dia cari burung burung lagi. Ular kayak gitu
And
Bapak.
also another python, like a green.
Ada.
Ada kan ini Bapak pernah lihat?
Ada. Itu musim panas.
Ah.
Agustus. Juni, Agustus.
June, August,
Ya.
the season of that snake.
Okay, well it's May, so we're close.
We have to find it.
So he doesn't freak out when we go out at night.
Dengan yang kuning.
I have
Kuning.
we wear this for protection from like a venomous bite.
Yeah.
It doesn't go through.
Hidung pakai ini
For,
supaya
for me, because if they see a snake, they're gonna stand back.
Yeah.
But for me, I'm gonna make some photos, so we wear protection. So I just tell him so he knows
yeah.
it's
Actually,
safe.
they are so much scared about this
Yeah.
snake.
And then I use this usually for venomous animals, and I can grab it
Yeah.
and hold it like that.
Hidung
Or-
pakai ini untuk ini ular,
Yeah.
tangkap
Or I
ular.
grab the tail and keep the head away from me.
Yeah.
So just so he knows, so people don't freak out. I don't want them to. Yeah. Because I
Jadi
have.
Bapak dia bilang jangan takut kalau lihat Bapak ini dia lagi in ular karena dong super biasa.
So don't be scared,
Iya.
because I have my whole life I've been working with reptiles and snakes.
Yeah.
So I have a lot of experience. So it's no problem. And this is all for safety,
Yes.
but I know which one is dangerous, which one not.
Jadi jangan khawatir, Bapak ini sudah bertahun-tahun jadi ini dengan ular, reptil, jadi tidak usah takut. Don't be scared.
Okay, good. Okay.
Very good.
Yeah. Just so he knows a little bit.
Yeah,
about-
yeah,
Yep. Okay, Lily, tell us what we're eating.
Okay. And here we have pineapple. For the vegetable, you can see the kangkung with some carrots, and then smoked fish with coconut milk, and then fried egg
Nice.
and rice, of course.
Yes. Delicious. Thank you. Oh, wow.
Goodbye.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, you guys. Look at that thing.
I'm scared. Wow!
Look at that, you guys.
Wow!
Check that out.
Wow!
It's a big forest dragon. Amazing.
Did you bite someone?
Yeah, he'd like to, but I'm not gonna let him get a bite. Look at that. Man, oh man. That is so cool, you guys. That's incredible. Easier to catch, of course, during the nighttime because it's a lizard. It's gonna be active during the daytime, but he was on that tree, and even when he saw us coming, he was pivoting to get onto the backside of that tree trunk, hoping that we wouldn't be able to see him, but it's just too big of an animal to miss. It's so awesome. Man, look at that, you guys. That's so cool. Wow. This has to be the coolest lizard in Papua for sure. So cool. Never seen one of these before in the wild too. That's incredible. Wow, I'm blown away, you guys. That's insane. Okay, you guys, we're gonna release him back onto this tree. Here you go, buddy. There you go. Wow, so cool. All right, well, that's not bad for the first 10 minutes of our walk. Now we're looking for snakes. Okay, you guys, we found an Indonesian tree boa, one of the Candoya genus. Candoya carinata, looks like a big female. It's gonna be a little bit challenging to get down because when I move over there, I have to step down and it's gonna put me a little bit further away from the animal, but I am going to try to somehow get it. I think I should be able to grab it. Let's see how this goes. I'm certainly not going to give up that easily. There we go. Got it. So this is very, very interesting. This looks a lot different from what I've seen coming into the pet trade. This is a very big snake, and man, is the pattern something else. Now these snakes are very gentle by nature. This is a girl, big girl. That has to be probably one of the most beautiful Indonesian tree boas I've ever seen. That is incredible, and such size, it's so big. This is called a dwarf Indonesian tree boa, but this is far from a dwarf. This is a really big specimen. Wow. And that's the reason we come out here, because all these different locality animals, they're gonna look very, very different in all the different regencies and areas of Papua. They're all gonna have a little bit of a different look. This animal has a very different look, and the size, it's so big. Look at the colors. Such a cryptic animal. I'm surprised I even saw it up there, to be honest with you. We're in an area where so many different snakes occur. Arboreal ones, ground-dwelling ones, venomous ones, non-venomous ones. So your eyes really have to be trained, looking high and low and everything else. Wow, that is unreal. Okay, so we are going to release this little girl, big girl. And that's that. All right, you guys, so there's some thunder and stuff in the distance. It's been raining off and on all day today. So we want to cover some more ground before we get poured on, because then the cameras can't come out. But we're doing good so far. We got a couple really good animals out of it. And if we get lucky, we'll find some more.